Changing a toddler's diaper may seem daunting at first, but it doesn't have to be. It's a common parenting challenge, like navigating new software. And start by gathering the essentials: a clean diaper, wipes, diaper cream, and a changing pad. Organizing everything within arm's reach is your first step to mastering the art of diaper changing. And now lay your toddler down on a flat, safe surface. This is when they'll likely choose to squirm or protest. It's like they have an uncanny instinct to test your patience. Try soothing them with a toy or sing a gentle song. Distraction is your best friend here. Unfasten the dirty diaper, but pause before yanking it off. Toddlers love to kick at the worst times. Fold the front of the diaper down gently and hold on. If you've ever wrangled an octopus, you know the feeling. This is a crucial moment. Stay vigilant against surprise accidents. Gently lift your toddler's legs and slide the dirty diaper away in the same motion. It's a ninja skill, fast and precise. Wipe their bottom clean, moving front to back to prevent infections. Remember, these wipes are absolute lifesavers. Before securing the new diaper, apply diaper cream generously. If there's any irritation or redness, this keeps diaper rash at bay and ensures your toddler stays comfortable. Prevention here is key. Trust me, no one wants a rashy toddler. Now here's the tricky part. Sliding the new diaper under a possibly squirmy child. Align the backside under their bottom and pull the front up between their legs. It's like diaper Tetris, but you'll get the hang of it with practice. Ooh. Fasten one side, then the other. Ensure the diaper is snug, but not too tight. It's a fine line. Loose ends can lead to leaks, and nobody wants that. Check the fit by sliding a finger around the waistband to ensure it's just right. Toddlers often like testing boundaries by rolling or twisting during this process. Keep a pleasant demeanor, as they'll likely mimic your energy. Also, never leave a toddler unattended on a changing table. Safety is paramount, even during the simplest tasks. Dispose of the dirty diaper properly. If you're eco-conscious like me here in Portland, consider cloth diapers. They save money and the planet. But if you're using disposables, ensure they're tightly rolled and stored in a diaper pail. And wash your hands thoroughly after each diaper change. It's a crucial step in combating germs. And parents often neglect this in the rush of daily activities, but it's essential for everyone's health. And keep sanitizer handy for those moments when soap and water aren't available. Celebrate your success, however minor it may seem. You just tackled a key part of toddler care. Remember, each diaper change brings you closer to a more independent toddler. And as stressful as it can be, it's fleeting. So cherish these quirky moments. Pro tip, practice makes perfect. Over time, your elation will build with every efficient diaper change. Plus, you might just gain the coveted parental superpower of changing diapers with lightning speed. And that's something to brag about at the next play date.